Mr. Raghav said, what China did 30 years back, we are doing it today. Till now we were sleeping with slumber. Today they are opening up and asking people to come in, having people to have collaborations, twinning programs, this program, that program, and start interacting with them, learn from them. And telling the industries here that you can go and sell anywhere that you want. We are not blocking you. It may be defense, it may be anything. Everything was closely guarded. And they opened up and said the whole economy is now open to the world over. Now, the challenges, are we prepared for the challenge? That is exactly what today this is all about. Facing those challenges. What Ramaiah Institution has done today is to evaluate we have brought in a startup success, we have named it as Ramaiah Evolute Startup to Success. Making a place where people can come in, helping them, mentors are there, the leaders are here, the CEO and all the well exposed, people who have been well exposed to this innovation are here. It may be, nothing is siloed today. Everything is holistic. As you said, rightly said, you need a law. You need the marketing or the MBA. It's not only that, you need even innovations. And innovation, you need electronics, you need mechanical, you need every aspect of knowledge. And as well as health. So it is integrated, it is a holistic approach to knowledge. So unless we bring all this together, we will not be able to be successful. And people who are looking at it, the entrepreneurs, now they are also looking at how best that they can be. Now they are the people that we are asking them, please come. We are here to make your place a better place. Bring out your best. We want you to unearth yourself. What is your potential? Try to help us. Try to help the country. Try to help the institution. From every aspect of it. So, now the trust has taken a decision that we will select about 10 entrepreneurs. Give them the extent of about starting with, okay, you start with some, have with 25 lakhs we want to give them, say about 2.5 crores per year. Start with that. And more importantly, I would say that bring up an ecosystem of the human manpower. With all my faculty members here, please change for the better. If we do not change, the golden opportunity that this country has got, we have failed. Let me tell you this very frankly. I am telling you from the heart. Therefore, it is a change from all around. It is not only the management who can change here. I have told you why I said is I took the responsibility of management. Why we change or not. That's what history I have told you about. If you are not changed, you have no right to come and tell you this here. If we change, we want you also to change.
Personally, I am very, very happy because I have spent almost about 3 decades in this MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. And when our Honorable Founder Chairman was here, we established the Entrepreneurial Development Cell in Ramaiah Institute of Technology in 1992. And it was very, very disappointing. I have, over the past 30 years, probably not more than 100 or 120 might have come into the Entrepreneurial Development Cell and try to evolve themselves. And out of that 100 or 120, 50% of them is already from an industry whose parents are already running them. So, in effect, it will be only about 50 in the year 30 years. And please remember this, our intake every year that is the number of students passing out used to be 1,000 plus. So we hardly have an entrepreneurship rate of about 0.3 or 0.4%. This is very measly. And then all the administrators of this country over a period of many years have been saying this. But the mindset, like our Honorable Chairman was saying, we have to see that our faculty's mindset changes. Likewise, our young generation's mindset should be changed. That is up to us now. And then even in a small time when I was the Science and Technology Minister, I forced the government to give about 50 crores to this cause. And we started one initiative in Gulbarga, that is Hyderabad, Karnataka region, because the most backward part of Karnataka it was. And there, today I think after 3 years, I think many people have been benefited, but nothing has come out of it. This is an initiative, what generally happens in the government when there is no perseverance, when there is no continuity. This is what happens. And personally, I was very happy when this proposal came through our CEO, Mr. Srinivas Murthy, Mr. Raghava came, and our chairman and all the trustees. We were very happy to welcome this idea, and today we are in the place that we have already launched, Ramaya Evolute. And I wish, because after all, we always have to wish for the better and then keep on working, because entrepreneurship only can create a system in our country where the GDP will increase, employment levels will increase, and these things will definitely put our country next to none. Because when Mr. Raghava was saying 15 years back, when China and India were on the same platform, where we were also focusing on research, they were also focusing on higher education and research, and today they have gone around, I think, 10 times what they were 15 years back, and we are only at 1 or 2 times. But today, I think after the corona pandemic, which is just about to leave the environmental system of this world, we are in a position where we can take it from here on, so that in the next 20 years, that is 2 decades, we should at least come closer to at least to 80% or 70% of the GDP of China. Being a regimented system of administration in China, if they can do this, our democratic system definitely can do better. But only if the entrepreneurship spirit is developed and ignited. So I think this is an initiative which we have started today, and then from here onwards, let us see. Many startups may evolve and then grow up big and then try to contribute to the GDP of this nation, along with providing quality employment to the people of this country.
Yeah, this is, okay, what we are doing here is Ramaya Evolute. This is a startup ecosystem, and this ecosystem is a cross-disciplinary ecosystem where multiple disciplines like medical technology, finance technology, agriculture technology, and multiple other things will be here. We will deliver success to startups here. We will invite startups. Every year we take 10 startups and mentor them about 2 years and then deliver success to them. And we will be cross-leveraging all the institution resources that's available in this campus. Thank you.
In the Ramaya group of institutions today, we have started Ramaya Evolute, a new initiative for encouraging young entrepreneurs to develop their startups into full-bloomed workable ideas into industry and things like that. We expect that young people with bright ideas can come forward and receive support, both financial, technical, research support, as well as marketing support in the initial stages, so that they can bloom into functioning, viable enterprises. Thank you.